How to enable Assistive Touch in any iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable Assistive Touch, also known as Easy Touch, on your iPhone to make navigation easier. This feature creates an on-screen menu that allows you to quickly access common function with just a tap, making it super convenient. First, open Settings and scroll down to Accessibility. Under the Physical and Motor section, tap on Touch and then select Assistive Touch. Toggle the switch on, and once enabled, a floating icon will appear on your screen. This icon acts as a shortcut to various functions like going back to home screen, opening the control center, or adjusting the volume, all without the hardware buttons. You can customize the actions of the Assistive Touch menu by tapping Customize Tap Level Menu and assigning different functions to an on screen icon. And that's it. Now you can easily navigate your iPhone with just a tap. Try it out and let me know if it worked for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one. Bye!